What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the journey. Today is Friday, August 4th, and this is the morning trading session for today. As you can see, this is the past 3 days. We have dropped a pretty significant amount. So that's pretty crazy. I mean, it's been going down each and every day, and today it looks like we're kind of maybe inching back up. So maybe we'll get a bullish push back up. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see as we get into the video how it all went down today. Today was kind of interesting because it really was kind of indecisive, and yeah, you'll see why here in a bit. So let's get to it. I'm gonna speed it up. It's gonna be a shorter video today because not much happened, but yeah. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's the market closer up now. Speed it up to 9 times. So it looks like it did like 2 legs down, then pushed up. That's kind of expected from a double leg down, but it didn't play out the full leg down. So I was kind of curious. Why it didn't do that. So I was like, maybe it's gonna go down, but it did one bounce off the EMA, and then now it's just sitting there at the top. So maybe I was thinking bullish. So I'm looking for second entry longs off the EMA. Never really got anything today. The whole theme today was just kind of just a bunch of first entries and things that couldn't take. There were some second entries, but they were either one, just really bad setup, like the signal bar was terrible, or two, it was just far away from the EMA. So I didn't take any trades today. I just took it for what it was, and stuck to my guns and just held out today. Because usually today, Fridays are sell-off days, but there was just a lot of indecision in the market. You can see it dipped down and tried to retest the high because it broke the channels, retest the high. Yeah, and it never really found its groove after that. It just started dipping down, tanking all the way down, and pretty much almost hit the midline. Today was definitely a larger trading range, but I could not find any entries whatsoever. Again, I'm still trying to learn, still trying to see what I can see. There were some. I did mark a lower high that was possible for me to take. I just didn't know until I saw it. But there was definitely some trades to take for more experienced traders. I just didn't see any. But this is what it was. Like, I was doing my analyzing, making my channels, just constantly looking for a setup somewhere, anywhere. There's a lot of double leg moves, as you can see, a lot of double leg moves, but like I said, no really points of entry, at least that I can see. So that's what I was dealing with today, and then there's just a ton of first entries. Like, see there's the lower high I marked. That would have been a good trade if I saw that. I didn't really see it until it developed. It literally made that bar and then dipped all the way down. I was like, oh sheesh. It could also be a triple test because it did test the top at least 3 times right there, and then it dipped down. And if you would have gotten that trade, I mean, just look at the one, look at the easy profit, and then 2, look at the runner you would have gone, because this does go all the way down to the midline, and then kind of stays around there. I zoom it out too, so you can see kind of like where it is in the grand scheme of the market this morning. See, I zoomed it out right here, making my legs. And there it is zoomed out. You can see where it is. It's just at the midline, and then it does get a little bit of a bounce at that midline. Kind of rejects off that point, and then starts trending back up. So you can see it's a pretty good sized trading range. It goes from that that midline pretty much almost all the way back up to the top, and that's where I ended it off today at 5. It was just going back up, but literally, as you can see, there were no entries whatsoever. Just a ton of first entries and like moves I did not feel comfortable with. But again, it did stop me. I did my analysis to try to do my channels as the best I could. But again, nothing really to see. No trades worth taking in my opinion. So today I walked away, you know, I walked away a winner today, whether you like it or not. Didn't take a trade, didn't lose any money. Also didn't gain any money, but today that's kind of a win in my book. You know, it's better to walk away empty-handed than to walk away losing money. So yeah. And then from here on out, it literally just bounced a couple times, going up, and started turning back in the up direction. But again, like I said earlier, there was no clear entries. Nothing that I saw. There probably was something for more experienced traders, but again, I'm still learning. I've only been doing this for half a year, and it's still hard to get down. But I didn't see anything worth taking today, at least in the morning time frame. This is the morning time frame. I only trade for an hour in the morning, and then I go an hour and a half, and then I go to the gym at 5. So this is what I saw in the morning time frame. Nothing really to take, just a bunch of movement, and then to a bigger trading range. So I'm gonna end the video off here because there's really not much else to see. I hope everybody that did trade had a good trading day. I hope everyone has a blessed day. And if you haven't seen my recent video, I'll leave it right here on the left, and then subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already right here. So please leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to the video, and I'll catch everybody in the next one. Peace.